Today, we've got some exciting news for all you Pixel fans out there. The much anticipated Android 15 beta is now officially available for the brand new Google Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL. Whether you just unboxed your shiny new Pixel or you're eagerly waiting for your pre-order to arrive, this news couldn't come at a better time. So let's dive in and see what this update brings to the table. First off, let's talk about what this Android 15 beta brings to the table. Google initially released Android 15 QPR1 Beta 1 for older Pixel devices, but now they've extended the beta to include their latest Pixel 9 series. This is big news because it allows you to test out the latest features and improvements before the official release. If you're someone who loves to stay on the cutting edge of technology, this beta is your playground. Released on August 13th, Google has now updated the release notes for this build, identified as AP31.240617015. Officially include the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL. If you're the proud owner of one of these devices, you can now join the Android 15 beta program and start exploring everything it has to offer. So how can you get your hands on this beta? At first, there was a bit of confusion because the new Pixel 9 devices weren't showing up on Google's Android beta for Pixel website. But don't worry, they've now started appearing, which means you can enroll your device in the beta program right away. If your Pixel 9 still isn't showing up, don't panic. It may take a bit of time for all devices to become visible, so patience is key here. But if you're feeling adventurous and can't wait, you always have the option to manually install the beta by flashing the factory images. Keep in mind, though, that this requires a bit more technical know-how and effort. Once you've successfully enrolled your Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, or Pixel 9 Pro XL in the beta program, you'll receive an over-the-air OTA update to the beta version. Simple as that. Before you rush to install the beta, here's something important to keep in mind. Because software is by nature still in development, this means it can be unstable and might come with some bugs. So it's a good idea to back up all your data before diving in. You wouldn't want to lose any important information just because you're eager to try out the latest features, right? Be prepared for potential issues like apps not working as expected, battery drain, or even the occasional crash. While these problems can be frustrating, remember that this is part of the beta testing process. Your feedback can actually help Google iron out these kinks before the final release. Now you might be wondering, what's next for Android 15? As we get closer to the official release, we can expect Google to roll out more beta updates. These future releases will likely bring further improvements, optimizations, and maybe even some new features that aren't included in this initial beta. Google is known for refining your software through multiple beta iterations, so there's a good chance we'll see some exciting changes in the coming weeks. If you're think about the Android 15 beta, are you planning to install it on your Pixel 9 device, or are you holding off until the full version drops? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so now. We've got more updates, reviews, and tech news coming your way, and you won't want to miss it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we drop new content. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Go U25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Young also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.